We wanted to share with you why we think the Wolfen Timeflow tapware range is the best in the market. One of the biggest reasons is because of something so small. This tiny circle is actually an artificially grown ruby. This minuscule hole ensures the flow remains at 7 seconds for the life of the tap by controlling the amount of water that flows into the cartridge. So why ruby? It's because it's one of the hardest materials on the planet. So hard, in fact, that after a test of over 500,000 cycles, the hole in the ruby didn't change. Wolfen also has a clever way in which it keeps the cartridge clean. As the button is pressed, a small needle passes through the hole, removing any scaly buildup. This means that every push of the button, the cartridge is cleaning itself. And the specially designed ruby ensures a long performance over its life. Other great features of the Wolfen range include a 5-year warranty, competitive pricing, superior supply, and the power of Reece after sales.